Hello. Hello guys, let us do a quick CSS session in this live. So we are going to start just within 5 minutes. Am I audible? Mic check. Hello. Yes, I think I am. So let's get started without any further ado. Okay then, let's start doing some CSS on cssbattle.dev. So I have already done this much of CSS. I think I should start from the beginning. So let's do that. I'll erase everything in here and we'll start from the beginning. So we'll create a div tag over here. We'll give it a class name of face. In this tag we'll add division tag with the class name of hairs1 we'll say. We'll create another division tag and we'll give it a class name of hairs2. Some more division tags for the eyes and the mouth. I'll name this as I1. Another division tag with a class name of I2. And lastly, a division tag with class name of mouth. Now let us style the body tag first. We'll give it a property, or we can say we'll use the rule display and we'll set it to flex. Now we'll justify content to center so that the elements in the body tag get aligned to the center horizontally. And for the vertical alignment we'll use align items and we'll set the align items property to center. And now I'll give this body tag a background of this one. Okay, let's copy paste this. Hello Kunal Biswa. Are you able to clearly hear me? Because YouTube is giving me a warning over here. It's saying YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain trimming, smooth streaming. I don't know. Let's just continue. Now I'll style the face division tag. I'll give it a width of 200 pixels, a height of 200 pixels as well, and I'll give this a background color of this one. Actually, the background colors are listed over here, as you can see. I just have to copy paste those colors from there. Now I'll use the border radius property to get the desired shape. Let's go with 100 pixels, 100 pixels, 50 pixels and 50 pixels. For the top, we have set the border radius property to 100 pixels, and for this bottom two corners we have set the border radius property to 50 pixels, and we are getting a pixel perfect face over here. Let us now move towards the hairs section. Let us now styles the hair one section first. So hairs are basically nothing but just two circles in the face division tag. So let's create those circles. Background color of FFF1C1. Let's copy paste that. Let's make it 100 pixels. Okay. Let's make them round. Let's make the circle round. I'll set the border radius to 50%. And let us now shift this a bit upwards. I think I'll have to use the property display. No, sorry, I'll have to use the property of position. Relative over here, I guess. Then we'll use the bottom property. To shift this a bit upwards. Okay. Now let's do the same for hairs too. Let us do position relative for this one as well. I think we can use the position absolute as well, but I'll go with the relative one over here. Yes, Kunal, you are right. We'll have to use the property overflow hidden to hide that circle. Let us make another circle first. Sorry, we'll have to do 100 pixels over here. I'm sorry. I'll just copy paste from here. Let's shift this towards right now, so we'll have to use the left property. Okay, now so we have aligned the circles perfectly, I guess. Let's now move towards the eyes. I know you aren't able to see me, but yeah, that's better for you as well, I guess. For me and for you as well. I think we should just change the position. Let's try with absolute. I think let's change the position property of the face itself and let's set it to absolute. Let us do this using relative only. Now we'll use the bottom property. Let's now make this perfectly round. Let's increase the size of the circle by a bit. I think 60 is perfect. Let's now use the left property to move it towards right by a few pixels. Okay, that's pixel perfect, I guess. Let's now create another eye. We'll copy the code directly. Now let's change the left property and the bottom property as well. Okay. Not pixel perfect. I think I'll have to do this 170. Okay. It looks perfect now. In a way to make it responsive for multiple devices. What are you trying to say, Kunal? I'm not getting you. Let's now style the mouth part. This isn't going to be responsive, Kunal. Why am I not able to see the mouth? Where is it? I've selected the mouth class here. I have given the division tag a width and height of 10 pixels. I'll give it a background of this one, and still I'm not able to see it. Why? I think it is because of the position. Okay, let's try using Z index. Still I'm not able to see it, Kunal. Okay, now I am able to see it. I think it was out of the frame and that is why I was not able to see it. Let me undo this. Yeah, now it's out of the frame, and if we'll use the property bottom and if we'll set it to something, then it will just come into the frame and now we are able to see it. Okay, let's align it now. This is all happening because of the positioning property. I'm not really good at the positioning properties. I've just used the properties relative here for most of the elements. Yeah, this will work, but it is getting confusing. But yeah, it will still work. Let us now increase the width of this division tag. I think 40. Okay. Let's make the corners rounded. Okay. Let's now reduce the less property by bit. I think I'll have to reduce the height by a bit. No, I think I'll have to increase the height. 11. No, I think 10 was okay. Maybe the width. I think 40 is just good. Now let's add the property overflow hidden to the face. And yeah, everything seems all right. I don't think the mouth is pixel perfect yet. I think I'll have to reduce the width of the mouth, sorry. Oh, this is really confusing, man. Let us keep this 40 and let's just submit. Okay, 100% match. Let me submit it again for you. So we have got 100% match. Finally. Okay, so that was it, guys, for today's session. I hope you enjoyed it. So let's meet another day with some interesting illustrations and with some interesting sessions in the future. Until then, stay tuned, keep watching Sagzone. Thank you. Bye.